Okay, it says it's a different time zone, right? So I want to know which time zone it is. You see here, date underscore time zone underscore get and date underscore time zone underscore set. Okay, this is our it will tell us which time zone are we in. So even before printing this time, I want to see which time zone is this is in. So here I'll say time zone. Okay, php echo date underscore time zone underscore get. Let's see what is our time zone, which time zone it is showing up. Oops, it's here. So I refresh. Warning, expects one parameter. Oh, what is that? Okay, I know. Get time zone. Must. What? What do you expect? Expects exactly one parameter, zero given. Okay, let's do this. Instead of this, what is this? Did I get or set? Date underscore time zone underscore get. Is the default time zone in a script? Returns a string. I know, dude. So default. So let's see now. This should not throw an error. Okay, so the time zone, this particular system, this particular server is using Europe or Berlin. Okay, I don't want that. I want to set it to the local server, whatever the server I'm using. Right now I am in the zone Asia slash Kolkata or Calcutta. Okay, so even before this, what I do is like php. Okay, I'll just say date underscore default time zone underscore set. Okay, here I give Asia slash Calcutta. I don't know if Calcutta works or not. So now let's see. Now here I take this and I'll print this here. Okay, I just after setting I'm printing it. Is there any question here? Yeah, you can set it in INI, but it's not a good practice to set it in INI. The reason is, see, most of the times we'll be doing it in a shared server. If it's a dedicated server, yeah, definitely I'll recommend to go for INI settings. Okay, go there and set in your INI settings. But what if it's a shared server? Nobody will give you that permission to set your time zone there. So what you're supposed to do that? It's always better to set something using your programming script itself, because it will be confined to your own program, right? So that's the best practice. Now let's see. Okay, now the time has been exactly the time as my local system, because I have set the time zone to Asia and Calcutta. Alright, so this is get time zone and set time zone and date function and time function. Time will return whatever our timestamp in seconds from Jan 1st 1970 midnight. So the other function which is really useful is str time. I'll be discussing str time while we discuss the database, but until like as of now, these are the important ones. Okay, there are so many here. You can check it out here. If you get time, go check it out there. Like just see what else we can do. Okay, check date is an important function. Like this will check the date. Suppose if there is no date like February 30, right? So you have to validate if there is a date like February 30 or February 29 or 28 or like such. So check date is important while checking the dates. We won't be using it much of the time because the systems are intelligent enough to know that particular thing. And the next is str time is really important. Str time, if you use database, yeah, this is this is a function. Str time is a function to to do that. So we'll see yesterday time when we talk about database. Just remind me when we talk about database, if in case if I forgot, but I won't forget because it's very important in database. So I'll just tell you guys how the date is stored in database, so that you know that gives us an idea. So in database the date is stored in year, month, date, 24 format, minutes and seconds. So this is how a date is stored. This should be the structure format of the date which is stored in database. So anything which you put into database should be in this format. Anything which you get out of database will be in this format. So this is MySQL. MySQL is our database standard time format. Okay, so this is our MySQL standard date format. Just keep in mind. So if we convert, no, I'm not sharing, nothing is, I'm not doing anything with my screen. I'm just typing it here. Like what? Other local? What do you mean by other local? Like America, you have to set your time zone. Okay, that I'll be showing you guys here. Uh, what is it? What is that function? Date, create, add. Okay, let me just share the screen now. So you have to set your America slash, I don't know, PST, MST, PET. Let me just check that whatever what you call time zones we have. Let's see. Where is it? Let me share the screen. Okay, I'm sharing my screen here. I hope you guys can see the screen now. So available time zones. Maybe it is our, okay, time zone abbreviations list. Anyways, can you guys see the screen here? Okay, maybe not this. These are abbreviations. Date underscore time zone. I don't know exactly that function which gives all the time zones. There must be something. Time. Yeah, you guys have an answer? Oh, really? Now, how does the voice sound like? Is it also? So let me just read something here. That will. Yeah, today my bandwidth is really bad actually. That's one problem. So, and one thing I would like to advise you guys, if you are watching YouTube videos, watch it in 420p. Okay, I've observed that if you go for higher resolution, it's kind of blurred. So 420p, I found it a really good resolution to watch the YouTube videos of Tutoslive. Okay, so yeah, let me just check which one's that. Location underscore get. Date create format create date set date time zone date diff. They should get time zone get. There must be a function here which is used to get all the. Yeah, I know that America, New York, but let's see. PHP time zones. Okay. Okay, it's PHP time zone underscore. Okay, fine. So let's go to America. Okay, these are all like American times, American time zone times. Not most probably like United States of America. United States of America is a different. Here it is for United States of America. Okay, so now let's do one thing. Let's take these times and display in different time zones. So here I say this. I'll just copy this. Oops. I'll just copy this. Now is the audio breaking up? Does everybody face the same problem? Yes? No? Your answer is very important. That will, no? Great. Perfect. Yes or no? Chicago. Okay. So here, let's see what's happening. So the America New York time is May 5th, 1:22 p.m. Okay, and the same for Chicago is May 5th, 12:22 p.m. Alright, so let's just change the colors here. I seriously did not like this color. So this will solve all the problems. Fine. Okay, so this is it. So I hope you guys, this is Asia's time, New York's time, and this is Chicago's time, and this is the JavaScript time. JavaScript time cannot set anything, it can only give the local time. So I hope you guys are clear about this, about the times. Okay, so which format does the date got stored in MySQL database? What is the format of the date in MySQL database? So don't give me the format, give me, suppose if I want to store today's date, how does it get stored? Exactly right now, right here, which date? Give me that date. Don't give me the format, just give me the date of today which is going to be stored in database, the format. Yes. Five, 5, 10, 54, 6. Awesome. Great. Great. Good job. Nice. So that is it. That is the